Hey, we're gonna take a look at a patio misting system I got from Amazon, and it is from DRNCURN. I don't know. Excuse me. So yeah, here's the box that it came with. So yeah, it says install in less than 10 minutes, cooler air in 20 up to 20 degrees. Surrounding. Here's the box. Let's see if we can zoom correctly. Okay, there. Portable pre-assembled misting kit. Garden, parasol, trampoline. I'll have a link in the description below. Like and subscribe if you guys can. Swimming pool, greenhouse, and looks like fan misting. Here's the back. If you guys want to read it, looks like cut, connect, and then screw in the nozzle, and then connect to hose, and then insert the end, and then turn it on or something. So here's the notes. See if you guys need to read it. Okay. Don't use hard water. Use a filter if you can. Sorry about that. Let's see. 30 psi is needed. Okay. So yeah. Let's go. Open it up. And there's instructions for it. The reason why I'll show you why I get this. Cut it. It comes with a cutter. Connect it. Angle it. End it. Attach it. Etc. So yeah, and it comes with. We'll show you. This is all it comes with. And then here's the Q&A. Made in China. And then there it is. So yeah, here's zip ties. Doesn't look like it's that strong. It looks pretty thin. It doesn't look like UV protection. Maybe it'll last a year at most. And have winter weather and cold weather, and yeah, I don't know if that's gonna last that long. Then here's the cutter. Locks, unlocks right there. Locks right there. And then there's a tool to, I'm not sure, to attach it or unattach it, to lock it or unlock it. Here's the mister. I already opened one up. Comes with, what is it? It should be 10 of them. 5. So here it is. Here's the misting nozzle. So we can zoom in correctly on that. Okay, and then there's this. Maybe it locks it or unlocks it. Maybe it unlocks it. Let's see. To unlock it, you push. It helps push it, and then to just here's the nozzle. There's a weird metal thing in it. It's weird. And then just push, then it locks. Like that. And then the same here, push. To pull. Look, here's the nozzle. There's a nozzle. Just back of the nozzle. Looks like there's a gasket. And then a screws in. You push the lock. Yep, push the lock. And then same here. This is a 3-way. It's like it's locked here. And then you can insert the nails in there. Push, unlock. Look, there's a metal one? Why is there a metal thing in this one? Why is there... Oh! To bend it... So this one is longer, so it could bend. That's why it could bend. There's a metal rod in there to bend it. So yeah, so you could adjust it, attach it to a wall, and then bend it to where you want. So yeah, there's that one. Okay. And then here's gasket, filter gasket. Put that on. 2 ends to cap it. Here's the bolt. The nails with the clipper or the attachments to attach to a fence or something wood. And then here is the hose. And here is the end. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, let's plug it in and see how it works. Let's see. The hose right here. Touch this end right here. And then cap it. And then here it is. And I don't know which way I want to point it. Yeah, there it is. Here's the hose. The filter on. Touch the hose. Let's move this stuff out of the way and let's get this up and running. So yeah, let's see. Here it is. Okay, let's turn it on and see how it works. Let's point it that way. Tighten it enough. Okay, let's turn it on. Yeah, there it is. So let's see. There it is. If you guys could see the mist. There's the mist. So it's reaching about, I don't know what kind of pressure I have, so right around there. And then I should, let's see. Let me check 1 minute. So yeah, here it is, misting. So here's the thermometer. So around right there is 84. But when it's wet, 71. So that's like 10. So let's see, 81 is the couch, or 80 is the couch, and then 70 is the wet area. So yeah, cools you down. You're paying for water to cool you down instead of, let's see how it works on a pillow. If I could get it to a pillow. So it wasn't wetted, and that's it's wetted. It is almost 20. Let's go over there. It's not getting mist, and it's getting mist over there. Yeah, look at that. It is 20 degrees. That's crazy. So I was actually thinking of getting one of these because we were on a boat in Lake Powell and we were camping, and it was like 100 degrees, and everything was absorbing the 100 degrees weather, and it's crazy hot. I'm just plugging this in the lake, pulling out the water, and then just misting the campsite, and it would have worked. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll leave a link in the description below. See you guys.